Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you work in a well-ventilated area and have a clean workspace prepared. Start by powering off your Lenovo Legion Pro 716 and disconnecting all cables. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws securing it in place. Keep these screws organized as you'll need them later. Carefully lift the panel away to expose the internal components. Once the back panel is off, locate the original cooler. You will see several screws holding it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws in a star pattern to avoid damaging the motherboard. As you do this, be cautious not to lose any screws. With the screws removed, carefully disconnect the cooler from the motherboard. There may be a connector that needs to be gently pulled out. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. Now, take a moment to clean the area where the cooler was attached. Use the soft cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to remove any old thermal paste. This step is crucial for ensuring optimal thermal conductivity with your new cooler. If cleaning seems overwhelming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, prepare your new cooler by applying a small amount of thermal paste to the surface. A pea-sized amount in the center is generally sufficient. Now it's time to install the new cooler. Carefully position it over the CPU and align the screws with the holes in the motherboard. Once aligned, secure the cooler by tightening the screws in a star pattern again. This ensures even pressure across the CPU. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this could damage the components. After securing the cooler, reconnect any cables that were disconnected earlier. Before replacing the back panel, double-check all connections and screws to ensure everything is in place. If you find the process challenging or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This can save you time and hassle, allowing you to avoid calls and travel. Finally, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your device and power it on. Monitor the temperature to ensure the new cooler is functioning effectively. If you need a quote before repair for future projects or have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.